how to talk to women when you're a gay. Mer, just like playing the online game, it starts with the IP address. Eyes. Always look in the eyes first, like this, and see how she react. If she smile, you say hi, hello. If she kind of embarrassed, like you also say hi is good sign. If she ignore or seem angry, do not talk to her. So remember, before you talk to woman, always start with the IP address to connect with her. Just like online game when you join a match, this is where you begin to farm the karma and you gather the relationship points. Talk to women at the gym. Gamers do not go to the gym. Why are you laughing? Train. No. Club. School. Yes. Learn by heart the dialogue options. Example, this line. Say it like this. Hey, that is really nice backpack you have. Where you get it? I want. I love you. I want to get to know you so much. Do not say that last part. That's bad. Then you continue the conversation. Oh, that's so cool. What do you think of the new principal slash upcoming spirit week? Or wow, that is avesome. What is your favorite part about this shul slash being a senior? Your relationship points will increase with every question that you ask. Watch her body language. If she bored or uninterested, you run. You can use talk to anyone to learn the conversation options. Whole dialogue tree for the game of real life talking to the women's. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and GG well played. Do not be toxic in the comments.